Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe blog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is a super simple stir fry of mushroom and chicken. It's a bit, not a bit, I like garlic flavor, kind of strong, so this is garlicky chicken and mushroom. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again, bye! Slice chicken breast into cubes. Wash, clean your mushrooms. You can peel the outer skin if you want, but I'm not gonna peel them. Quarter them or slice them into your bite size or into your preferred shape. Slice. Now let's marinate the chicken. This is 1 tablespoon of half to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons or to adjust chicken bouillon powder, and this powder is a generous pinch or quarter teaspoon of white pepper powder. Sorry, this is half to 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and here is about 1 to 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar, and here is 1 to 2 tablespoons of Indonesian sweet soy sauce. We call it kecap manis, but this is just to marinate. Later when you're cooking, you have to adjust the flavoring so it will taste nice. Right now just mix it and they completely combine. So melt about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then we're gonna saute or brown our garlic. You can either slice them for stronger flavor, stronger taste of garlic, or you can just saute the whole garlic as what I'm doing here. So you want to brown it but not burn the garlic, and then we're gonna add in our chicken that's been marinated. This is a continuation of our previous toasting, so see the description for the marination. And then we're gonna add a quarter cup of water and Maggi seasoning to add more flavor, and just continue stir frying and adjust the flavoring to your liking. You can add black pepper or ground white pepper, and then add your sliced mushroom. And you don't want to stir fry it too long for the mushroom. We like it still kind of firm, but if it's softened, it's nice as well. And if you think it's enough, then add in sliced spring onions, and basically your stir fry garlicky chicken and mushrooms ready to be served with warm rice.